What's up, little one? Say you got a pocket full of cash, just got you a new ride, and you're ready to put some bump up inside. Well, I got a little treat for you. I mean, this might not be the best, might not be the worst, but we got some Skar Audio EVL 12s right here. And boy, in the right enclosure right here, you could be knocking windows off your neighbor's house too. Get out of here. So, got the Skar Evl 12 dual 4-ohm voice calls right here. You want to come up in here and check it out. You know, I don't know if you can see all up in there. Maybe if we had a flashlight, but we just doing it like this. Got all your little voice calls and spiders in there. It says Skar right here. Got your nice little magnet right there. It's double stitched. Nice little stiff dust cap. Some good rubber, because you need good rubber. Alright? Says it's 2500 peak watts, 1250 RMS. So if you got two, it's about close to 3000. It's a nice speaker. Real durable speaker for the price. I think they're like like $195. Not bad though. If you're new to the game and you're trying to get into it and you want something to work for you, this is gonna work. You put it in a nice box or whatever, it'll get the job done. Do they have better things out there? Yeah, but you're gonna pay more. This is really budget friendly, and you know, you can start here. You can get this nice loaded enclosure that had more than enough air space that you need, and we'll be testing out soon. Check out for testing videos. SK Entertainment. Like, subscribe. Look for more. See you later.